Hi everyone, here's a quick guide to my makeup tutorial to a soft smoky makeup look. Without further ado, let's get started. I'm starting with the toner first to freshen up my skin and prep it for the rest of the product. First I'm prepping up my skin with a lightweighted moisturizer for a smooth and hydrated base. Then going in with sunscreen. I never skip this step. You guys, it's super important for you to wear sunscreen even if you're indoor. Next I'm applying primer to smooth everything out. Now I'm applying this foundation to even out my skin a little. I'm using a sponge to blend everything seamlessly into my skin for a soft and natural finish. I'm gonna hide all these dark spots that I have on my face with this L'Oreal concealer. I prefer blending it with my finger only because I think it just melts better into the skin. I'm adding a cream blush again using my fingers. Since it's a creamy formula, I feel like fingers works best for blending it out nicely. To set everything in place, I'm using this Huda Beauty loose powder. I really like using loose powder to lock the makeup in and make sure everything stays put without looking too cakey. Now I'm going in with the powder blush, mixing a peach and pink shade to get that soft fresh glow on the cheeks. For powder blush, I'm using a brush for a softer finish. Moving on to the brows, my eyebrows are already quite thick, so I'm just shaping them a little. For the eyes, I'm going for a smoky look using brown and black. I started with brown first and blended it really well. And then I added black on the outer corners to deepen the look, blending it out for a soft smoky effect. For eyeliner, I usually use pencil liner to make the wings, but it really wasn't working the way I wanted. So I switched to a flexi tip liner, which honestly gave me the more control. After that, I'm applying kajal on my waterline and also slightly below it to make the eyes look more defined and intense. I also did a small inner corner wing just to make the eye look a little more snatched. Once the eye makeup was done, I moved on to the lips. I lined my lips first and slightly filled in the inner part as well. Then I'm going in with the Maybelline lipstick. And after that, I went back in with the same lip lip liner to darken the outer edges a little more for a fuller look. To finish everything off, I used a setting spray, and this is how the makeup turned out. Then I added a quick transition, and that's the final look, you guys. This was my first makeup tutorial, so I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.